Manage any modern production with the feature-packed V-160HD. Setting the standard in hybrid event switchers, now it's easy to create engaging, tailored content for both online and in-person event attendees. The V-160HD has all the I/O you need to produce almost any event. With 8 SDI and 8 HDMI inputs, and 7 assignable outputs across SDI, HDMI, and USB-C streaming, you can seamlessly feed program displays, auxiliary monitors, multi-viewer producer displays, and online streams. With a 40-channel digital audio mixer, blending signals from all 16 video inputs, plus microphones and line-level devices has never been easier. Also, play music with a simple Bluetooth audio connection to the V-160HD. Newly designed macro automation allows single operators to manage dozens of show cues with the push of a button. Program scenes ahead of time and trigger them using the sequencer function. And with hands-on controls, you can trigger simple or complex cues including input switching, camera presets, timed effects, and layer animations. Use the PTZ cameras that fit your budget with built-in support to directly control popular camera brands and models. You can operate up to 16 PTZ cameras at once without a dedicated camera controller. With dedicated top panel controls, you'll have faster and more precise control over the powerful 8-layer effects engine. Now there's no need to scroll through menus. 4 of the effects in the V-160HD can be used as picture-in-picture windows or as keyers. The other 2 are dedicated to the powerful downstream keyers with alpha and external key capabilities for titles with gradients and transparencies. You can also connect to and control from a Mac or PC over LAN or USB, plus configure settings remotely with a tablet via Bluetooth. The feature-packed V-160HD creates a unique hybrid experience that empowers single operators to engage both live and online audiences.